How you doing? I'm FrankieG, the Cooking Cowboy, and today I'm back to give you another quick video. What is my video today? We're going to be smoking some boneless chicken breasts. Alright, let's get this thing going. Now I've already got them trimmed, so let's get them on the rack. I'm going to space them out just a little bit like this. We're going to spray them with a little bit of avocado oil as a binder. And then we're going to be putting on my favorite spices. We're going to be using from McCormick's pink Himalayan sea salt, black pepper, and garlic. So you want to sprinkle that on liberally. Get it on both sides. We'll get the other three. Some more avocado oil. Let's start with this side first. Alright, so now that we've got them all seasoned, we want to get them out on the smoker. So the recipe, which you could find at masterbuilt.com, calls for these to be cooked at 225 for 5 to 6 hours. But the most important thing is you want to try to get them to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Now I'm using mesquite wood today because that's what it calls for in the recipe. So let's get these out there on the smoker. Open this baby up. Get one down here. And we'll get these in there. I'm going to shut the smoker back up. And let's get the Bluetooth going. And that's it. So I'll tell you what, we're going to let these cook and I'll see you later on. Alright, so it's been about an hour and a half, and as you can see, I've got an internal temperature of 155 degrees. We're looking for 165 degrees, so they're cooking a lot faster than I thought they were going to go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the asparagus going. As you can see here, we have white asparagus, not green. It's supposed to have a much different flavor. As you can tell, they are thicker, so let's get that going. I'm just going to spray some avocado oil on them. And then again, I'm going to put some more pink Himalayan sea salt, black pepper, and garlic on these as well. Whoa, whoa, I'm losing it. Move them around a little bit. A little more avocado oil. A little more seasoning. Hey, get over here. Where do you think you're going? Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tray, which comes out of the Ninja Foodie air fryer. I'm going to put these on here, and hopefully this tray will fit in the smoker. I'm going to line these up. Try to keep them flat. Not bad. So let's go get them on a smoker. Got a real good smoke going on there. So let's put them down here. Oh, it just barely fits, but it's in there. All right, let's close it up. Let's again hit the button here which enables the Bluetooth, and that's it. Just gonna let it do its thing. All right, I'll see you a little later. All right, so we're at an internal temperature of 158 degrees. So what I want to do at this point is I want to put some barbecue sauce on it. I'm going to be using some Sweet Baby Ray's. I'm going to do a couple with them on and the rest with it off. Let's get outside. Let's get this open. Again, you can see we got such a good smoke going on here. So I'm going to pull this out here to about there. We don't want it falling off. Gonna get some barbecue sauce on here and on this one as well. Let's get that slid back in. Shut the door. Again, we want to reset the Bluetooth. And that's it. All right, so let's let this get finished off and then we'll come back and we'll get them out. See you in a little bit. All right, we're back. As you can see, the internal temperature is at 162 degrees. That's close enough for me to 165. I don't want this chicken to dry out. Let's go get the chicken and the asparagus out of the smoker. All right, let's get this baby open. Get some good smoke going there. Let's check these. Not bad. Let's get these inside. Okay, so here we have the asparagus. Now let's get the chicken. Shut the power. Open this up, get the probe out. There we go. Shut that up. Look at that, they look beautiful. Let's get them inside. All right, so here they are. Do they look beautiful or what? All right, so let's get a plate over here. I'm gonna take one of the plain ones. One of these, put it right here. Let's cut this open. Looks cooked very well inside. Now let's get a taste. Wow. A great smoky flavor. It's tender, juicy. Wow. Very flavorful. Let's try one of these white asparagus. It's got a little crunch to it, but it's tender. Good flavor. Oh, pretty good. I think I like the white better than the green. So there you have it. We got some smoked chicken, some with some barbecue sauce, some just without, a little bit of smoked asparagus. This smoker is actually becoming one of my favorite ways to prepare food. So remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. Until next time, this is FrankieG, the Cooking Cowboy, signing off. I'll see you next time. Sayonara. And one more piece of this chicken. Pick it up with your fingers like a man. That's so good. I'll see you next time.